Good morning, everyone. I am Patrizia Cavazzoni, and I'm the Director for the Center for Drug Evaluation and Research. It is a real pleasure to be here today and to be able to kick off this workshop. Today's workshop is a very important meeting, and before I say a few remarks, I would like to really start by thanking today's participants, Planning Committee, and the Arthritis Foundation. Why is today's workshop so important? Well, we know that osteoarthritis represents a significant public health issue, causing significant pain and disability for patients and burden for their caregivers. It is the most common type of joint disorder in the world and affects over 30 million US adults. The number of patients affected with symptomatic osteoarthritis is likely to increase due to the aging of the population and increasing obesity. In addition to the burden to the patient, the increased number of patients living with disability has an impact on health systems in the US and worldwide. While there are pharmacologic and non-pharmacologic interventions for alleviating pain and short-term improvement in function, as well as surgical intervention for end-stage disease, there is a clear need for treatments in the underlying disease. In other words, treatments that slow down progression and lead to long-term benefit for patients. However, the development of such therapies has faced unique challenges due to the variable and, in most cases, slow progression of the disease, which can take years. Today's meeting is to discuss how best to assess the disease progression, define long-term benefit in osteoarthritis, and conduct clinical trials to assess drugs that may prevent or slow progression. The FDA welcomes efforts by the community and industry to address these challenges and is excited to be a part of today's workshop. This meeting is a part of an ongoing collaboration between FDA and the Arthritis Foundation to advance drug development in osteoarthritis by bringing together a broad array of stakeholders. These include subject matter experts from academia, the Arthritis Foundation, FDA, industry, and most importantly, patients. The objective is to have an open dialogue to discuss clinically meaningful trial endpoints, biomarkers, and innovative trial design to demonstrate long-term clinical benefit to patients with osteoarthritis. The ultimate goal is to expedite the development of safe and effective treatments for this debilitating disease. Thank you for your participation in this very important discussion.